Yeah, they sent me the picture. See the water.
Oh yeah.
Shut off, but still, but this one it closed it up, kept it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it wouldn't come out.
Was it coming out of there too?
Yeah, because they I think they turned on. They thought it's a while to close it up.
Oh.
Yeah. So want me to? Yeah.
Oh sure, yeah. Turn the water pressure on. Let's see what it does. It's on now.
Yeah, but still, just when
I'll have to get it.
But I'm not sure.
Yeah, no problem. I'll have to get a wrench, but sometimes you can tap on these to get them to stop.
Maybe are they full, huh?
Yeah, I can get the water. You got water in the combustion chamber. I'll get a vacuum.
Yeah, but I feel this one is.
No, I won't start. There's too much water in there. Yeah, I gotta get a vacuum.
Yeah, last time they sent me one of this and one of this.
Oh.
Remember you said you still have a warranty? Yeah. So they sent me a new one and that one.
Yeah, see? Now you got them in case you need them. Let me get my tools.
Okay.
Is there electricity? Because I need to run a little vacuum. Okay, we got a flooded combustion chamber. That was caused by the temperature pressure. I just banged on it and that seems to have shut it off. So now I gotta get all this water out of the combustion chamber. Yeah, it took a lot of water out of there. And that's all from the combustion chamber. The light's blue, which is what we want.
Yeah, that thing sounds like the spring, eh? It's normal.
The spring?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's totally normal. Yeah. It's kind of winding up. Yeah, it's kind of. When I don't hear the spring, I get a little concerned. Really? Yeah, this little spring right here that winds up.
Oh, it's like wow, something wrong.
Yeah, no, the new ones they don't have that, but. So yeah, probably what happened is it dribbled out of here, it ran down the side, it gets inside here. You know, you want to keep your eyes on, that's good, you got a cap on this. Yeah. So he's got a cap.
Yeah, most of the house, I have to buy extra the cap.
Yeah, oh, you might have high water pressure. So you might want to check your water pressure on your house, because if it's too high, this'll open again. But I just tapped on it a couple times, and then I banged on it right here, and it just gets it to seat. Yeah. It gets it to seat a little bit better. So you come in here and you tap like this, or bang on it like that. So that stopped the dripping. A little bit of moisture still inside there, but we think we got it here. But it's running.
So inside have water, right?
Yeah, the water's on.
Yeah.
The water's on.
Yeah.
It's not dripping. We got that mess down there cleaned
Yeah.
up. We used the vacuum with the little hose attachment. That's huge. And I think now it'll dry out because it'll get real hot down in that combustion chamber, and it'll dry out.
Okay, let's see what.
So yeah. No, I mean I would check it like you get time in the next couple days, tomorrow or the next day or something. Just come by, put your eyes on it again.
Okay.
Make sure this doesn't start dripping
Okay.
again, and everything looks like it's dried out. It's still, your tenant will tell you anyway.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you got a little bit of moisture here. I think in the future you're probably going to want to change this supply valve and just change that one out. They may have turned it up too hot too. Yeah, keep it on B or less than.
That's good.
Or less than B. All right.
Okay, thank you very
All
much.
right, you're welcome. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. All right, my new policy of always bringing this vacuum with me on every single service call is paying dividends because it makes such short work of getting all that water out of a combustion chamber, which we like. So that whole thing, 10 minutes. Maybe you get all the water out of it, get it relit. I'm terrible at this. All right. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel and have a great day.